Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to insert comments in a Microsoft Word 2016 edition. Let's go now and open the Word application. We're going to need blank document, and as you can see I don't have any text, so I'm going to copy something random. Okay, and now we are going to insert some comments because we don't like some parts. If you're a teacher or you work at a company and somebody did an essay and you don't like what he wrote in some parts, you just can insert these comments and it's going to highlight the parts that you don't like. As you can see, we are at the home page. We need to search for the insert in the right of the home page, as you can see here, and we're going to search for the comments section and we can see insert comment. Let's say I want somebody to rewrite some of this text and I have some suggestion for him, so I'm going to show him where I don't like the text. Let's say here I don't like how he wrote this, so I'm going to insert a comment, and as you can see another window just popped out, and here I can make some suggestion like this. And if I have more suggestion in this theme, I just can click here, and as you can see another window just popped out and I can make a new comment for my previous comment. Okay, and as you can see I just click here and my comments are still here, so the next person is going to see my comments and is going to make the changes that I want him to make. And this is all. If you don't like what you commented, you always can go back, or if you want a quicker way to get rid of this, you just right click this comment. As you can see another window just popped out with mark this comment done, delete, previous, and next. If you mark this comment done, as you can see the comment is going to be blurred. That means that the requirement that the comment said is done, so you can mark it in this way or you can just delete it. Of course, you can make even more comments, and as you can see I made 3 comments and they are all visible. If you are done with one, you just mark comment done or you just delete it. This is all for this tutorial. I hope this helps and I hope you have a wonderful day.